Okay, if you got yourself one of these 80s Lincoln Town cars and your window does not go up or down or is starting to fail, here's a tip on something that you might need to know when it comes down to replacing one. Okay, after you've removed your door panel and trying to figure out how in the world to remove your window motor, there's going to be 3 little divots or dimples right here in these spots. Okay, so you're gonna have to drill them out to about a 1/2 inch, and that will give you access to the bolts that are holding the window motor in place, and you'll be able to fit your 8mm socket into that hole and access all 3 bolts. Once you've removed them, if you run into what we ran into, this deal is really rusty and it was really on there, so you had to get a flathead screwdriver, stick it up through this large hole right here, and then stick it in this way between the window motor and where it attaches to, and you're gonna pry sideways like that, pretty much doing this right here. And by twisting your screwdriver, you're going to create space, enough space to start wiggling the window motor out. So another thing you're going to want to take note of is the new replacement window motor that you get. This area right here, it's not going to be flat. So the rest of it is, but this part, and that part, right where the bolts go, it's going to be slightly raised up. Okay, so that will create a problem. So what you have to do is you have to grind that down. So if you have a grinder or some form of a cutoff tool, you're gonna need to shave that down, because what will happen is that when you go over to hit the switch to raise the window up or down, this gear is not going to be making any contact with the actual teeth. Okay, so you're going to hear the motor, but it's not going to be doing anything to your window. The window's not going to be going up or down. So you're going to have to grind those down flat, and then mount it onto the car, and it'll work. If you're having issues with this window going up or down quickly, and you're seeing that it's going up or down with a lot of resistance, feel free to watch my other video. I'm gonna upload another video separate to this one, explaining how to lubricate and stuff like that to make your window go up and down a lot smoother and quicker than what it normally does. Thank you for watching, guys, and hopefully this helped you out, making your job a lot faster and avoiding having to drill out a whole bunch of rivets and stuff like that.